United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 39, Duties of Ships and Aircraft during Transit Passage. 1. Ships and aircraft, while exercising the right of transit passage, shall a. Proceed without delay through or over the strait, b. Refrain from any threat or use of force against the sovereignty, territorial integrity, or political independence of states bordering the strait, or in any other manner in violation of the principles of international law embodied in the Charter of the United Nations. c. Refrain from any activities other than those incident to their normal modes of continuous and expeditious transit unless rendered necessary by force majeure or by distress. d. Comply with other relevant provisions of this part. 2. Ships in transit passage shall a. Comply with generally accepted international regulations, procedures and practices for safety at sea, including the international regulations for preventing collisions at sea. b. Comply with generally accepted international regulations, procedures and practices for the prevention, reduction and control of pollution from ships. 3. Aircraft in transit passage shall a. Observe the rules of the air established by the International Civil Aviation Organization as they apply to civil aircraft. State aircraft will normally comply with such safety measures and will at all times operate with due regard for the safety of navigation. b. At all times monitor the radio frequency assigned by the competent internationally designated air traffic control authority, or the appropriate international distress radio frequency.